It has been a slow start to the tropical season. I don't think many people mind that, but we are keeping an eye on something right now.
Yeah, I'm certainly not complaining. What we're keeping an eye on has yet to materialize. It's just off the western coast of Africa, in which the National Hurricane Center is predicting about a 30% chance for that further development down the line. But as you mentioned, Summer, we've only seen 6 named storms so far this season, and that's below what we've seen up to this point last year. That was 7, and our 30-year average sits right around 8. So with 6 named storms, I'm definitely not complaining, but we could possibly see more as the season progresses. But why has the season been so quiet? Well, we've seen a lot of dry air over the MDR. That's the main development region from Western Africa all the way through the Caribbean. And you need that moisture to increase convection, leading to more thunderstorms that can grow into potential tropical storms and eventually hurricanes. But also coming off the eastern coast of the United States, we've had this jet stream increasing the trough in the upper layers of the atmosphere. That's only going to increase the wind shear, which does mitigate any potential developments happening in the western Atlantic. And then last but not least, also coming off the western coast of Africa, we've had this consistent Saharan dust just continuing to dry out any tropical features from forming. And that's an area that we're watching right now. This is the development that we talked about just a second ago, in which by this time tomorrow, we might see this emerge off of Africa's west coast. That chance for further development sits at 30%, as it will encounter some warmer waters. But as we continue throughout the back end of this hurricane season, we might see an uptick in the named storms and potential hurricanes down the line. And for more on that, let's turn to First Warning meteorologist Eric Burris.
Yeah, kind of an interesting little phenomenon we track in the Weather Center. It's called the Madden-Julian Oscillation. It is a tropical trigger of sorts. Look in the Pacific. You see this area here has a high likelihood of developing, and that's partially because the Madden-Julian Oscillation is in positive phase there. That means that the atmosphere is giving energy to the Pacific and not the Atlantic, hence why we are so quiet. But looking ahead to September 17th, 18th, 19th, that positive phase shifts into the Gulf, the Caribbean, and the Atlantic. It adds moisture, lift, and spin, thus opening the door for tropical development in our basin, which is partially why we are watching the coast of Africa. Now, that said, yesterday was the peak of hurricane season, and we did some research and found something kind of interesting. For the last 5 to 10 years, we have found that the seasons really favored one half. For example, last year, 6 named storms before the peak, 12 after the peak. It peaked early in 23, peaked late in 22, and early in 21. So we'll have to wait and see how this hurricane season goes. But for now, we're watching the coast of Africa and, of course, the next couple of months. Back to you.